Here are the reports put together about the COVID-19 pandemic inside some European countries and the US from our reporter.
The representative of the World Health Organization states that the COVID-19 pandemic in Italy would reach the peak in this week and then gradually decrease. The next days of the week will be decisive because the Italian government's measures to prevent the spread of the pandemic will take effect at that time. Currently, Italy records more than 74,000 cases and more than 7,500 deaths due to the COVID-19. Spain has become the second country after Italy to have a higher number of COVID-19 deaths than China. The country now records more than 3,600 deaths and more than 49,000 cases of COVID-19. Spain has sealed off and declared a national emergency since March 13. However, the Prime Minister said that the emergency could be extended to better curb the spread of the disease. In France, the government will launch a military campaign called Resist to fight back against the COVID-19 pandemic. The campaign will focus on activities that support people and agencies in logistics and protection. The COVID-19 is complicated in France with more than 25,000 cases, more than 1,300 deaths, and thousands of people in intensive care. In Russia, President Vladimir Putin announced that he was postponed holding a national referendum on a constitutional amendment due to the country's widespread COVID-19 pandemic. Additionally, next week, people will be off work but still get paid to reduce the spread of disease. Currently, Russia has recorded 658 cases and 3 deaths so far. In the UK, after less than a day of mobilization, more than 500,000 British people have volunteered to participate in supporting NHS National Health Services in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic, more than double the initial target set by the government. Volunteers will carry out tasks such as providing food, medicine, transporting patients to the examination, and calling to update the situation of people isolating at home. The British authorities hope that those volunteers will play an important role in helping NHS to reduce the pressure of the pandemic in the country, with over 9,500 cases and 465 deaths. Turn to America. In the past 24 hours, the U.S. recorded a record high number of cases, 13,000 cases since the COVID-19 outbreak in the country. The situation of new cases rising rapidly forced U.S. officers to issue a warning. CNN quoted the epidemiologist of the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. With this rapidly rising pandemic, the number of deaths in the U.S. could peak in 3 weeks. This situation also causes the U.S. hospital system to be overloaded, including the special care area. The U.S. government has issued a directive ordering the suspension of all U.S. forces abroad for up to 60 days, as well as urging people to stay at home for the time being.